Captain Altcoin predicted that XRP would be worth $3.88 in 2030 and $7.77 in 2040. Price prediction has said in other places that the price of Ripple in 2030 could be $8.84. In the meantime, Digital Coin Price predicted that Ripple would be worth $5.18 in 2030. Lastly, Telegon said that the coin could be worth an average of $25.32 in 2030. He then predicted that the price of XRP would be $72.06 in 2040 and $125.14 in 2050. Captain Altcoin predicted that XRP would be worth $3.88 in 2030 and $7.77 in 2040. Price prediction has said in other places that the price of Ripple in 2030 could be $8.84. In the meantime, Digital Coin Price predicted that Ripple would be worth $5.18 in 2030. Lastly, Telegon said that the coin could be worth an average of $25.32 in 2030. He then predicted that the price of XRP would be $72.06 in 2040 and $125.14 in 2050. Ripple and XRP have been in a case between the SEC and Ripple for a while now. In the coming years, the price of XRP will rest a lot on how the case turns out. In December 2020, the SEC sued two Ripple executives, Christian Larson, the executive chairman of the board and former CEO and co-founder, and Bradley Garlinghouse, the current CEO and a member of the board of directors, saying that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered, ongoing digital asset securities offering. The SEC said that XRP is a security, not a money, and that the market watchdog should be in charge of regulating it. In its case, the SEC said that Ripple financed its business by selling XRP for billions of dollars. It also said that Larson and Garlinghouse made more than $600 million from personal sales of XRP that were not registered. A report to the SEC said. Garlinghouse did this while constantly saying he was very long XRP, which means he had a large amount of it and thought it would go up in value, without saying that he had sold XRP. The SEC also said that Ripple saw institutional sales as the linchpin of its strategy to generate speculative interest in XRP from public investors. From 2013 to 2020, Ripple sold over $624.8 million worth of XRP to at least 26 institutional investors. Ripple sold a lot of XRP to institutions at prices that were 4% to 30% below the market price. According to the SEC, the deals did not limit the buyer's ability to resell XRP and only had brief lockup times that made it hard for buyers to resell large amounts of XRP. In other words, Ripple thought that most, if not all, institutional sales buyers would sell their XRP on public markets. They tried to protect the price of XRP by putting limits on how much could be traded at one time. The SEC said that by selling at prices below market prices, Ripple gave these buyers a reason to try to sell their XRP on the public markets in order to make what was basically a sure return. After almost 2 years, the main question in the case is whether or not Ripple execs knew that XRP could be considered a security and whether or not their lawyers told them about this risk before they sold XRP. Since December 2020, the case has been going on. On September 17, 2022, both the SEC and Ripple filed papers for a summary ruling, which seemed to be the last step. A summary sentence is a decision made by a judge based on the facts presented to the court without a full hearing. The U.S. Department of Justice said in the case U.S. v. City of Stillwell, Oklahoma, and Stillwell Area Development Authority. Summary judgment is not a bad idea in antitrust cases, even though it's not right for every case. Summary judgment, on the other hand, is still an important way to avoid pointless hearings, and may be especially important in trade cases to avoid needlessly expensive lawsuits. Judge Analyses Torres of the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York had not decided on the case by the middle of April 2023. The result of the case is